In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable suggestions in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or you've been using it for a while, personalizing your experience can make a big difference in how productive and organized you feel. One feature you might want to adjust is the suggestions setting, which provides recommendations tailored to your activity. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to enable or disable this feature, so you can customize Trello to better suit your preferences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look in the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address. If you prefer, you can also select a single sign-on option, like logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. Next, enter your password if prompted. Trello may also require you to complete a two-step verification process for security purposes. If that happens, just follow the instructions provided to verify your account. Once that's done, click the Login button to access your Trello dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any changes. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This could be a photo you've uploaded or just your initials. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. You'll be taken to the Settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Trello experience. Scroll through this panel until you find the section labeled Suggestions. This section is typically located under headings like Personalization or Recommendations, so keep an eye out for those labels. Once you've located the Suggestions section, you'll see a toggle switch. If you want to enable suggestions, switch the toggle to the On position. If you prefer to disable them, simply switch the toggle to Off. After making your selection, look for a Save button. If one appears, click it to confirm your choice. Some settings may update automatically, but it's always good to save if the option is available. Finally, if the toggle switch doesn't appear or seems to be missing, try refreshing the page. If that doesn't work, you can sign out of your account and log back in to see if the setting becomes available. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled or disabled the Suggestions feature in Trello. By customizing this setting, you can make your Trello experience even more tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.